Health workers and other officials are facing a monumental task as they try to contain the spread of the Ebola virus. Locals in one community affected by the outbreak stopped authorities from burying a victim, insisting on a death certificate.
Tell me the difficulties you face in burying these people.
It is not easy. Sometimes when you go to the people, they take rocks to stone us. We are sacrificing for everybody's health, but some people do not understand. We try to convince them that we are trying to protect them from getting the virus, but some of them still do not believe it.
Liberia has been stepping up measures to stop the spread of the virus. Health workers began a disinfection process across all government offices. Workers have been asked to stay home while the government has ordered the closure of several schools. The government has also been undertaking training on how to avoid getting infected. In one town, the Liberian army has moved into one community which the government says is the epicenter of the outbreak. But despite these efforts, healthcare systems are still struggling to cope.
We all need to adhere to what the president as co-chair of the special task force about this disease. It's real, and we all need to take those precautionary measures that are being announced. Work with the medical people who are giving us the right pieces of advice. If we can do that, of course, it's going to help us to kick Ebola out of Liberia.
Liberia was the first country to implement measures to contain the spread of the virus. The outbreak has prompted some international organizations to withdraw their personnel. Sierra Leone declared a state of emergency and called in troops to isolate Ebola victims. The World Health Organization is launching a $100 million response plan to combat the spread. Susan Mungeli, CCTV.